Take out your phone right now and check your bank statements. Add up what you are paying every single month for Netflix, Hulu, Max, Amazon Prime, and your cable bill. For most of you, it is easily over $1,000 every single year. What if I told you that you could cancel absolutely all of it today and still watch every single movie, TV show, and live sports event for 100% free? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving you the keys to the kingdom. I am revealing the top 5 absolute best unlinked codes for 2026. These 5 secret master vaults contain every single streaming application on the planet. Amazon recently tried to stop us by removing the downloader app, but I am going to show you the secret 2026 workaround to bypass their block, install Unlinked, and load up these 5 codes in under 10 minutes. Do not skip ahead, because if you miss the security unlock, this will... Alright guys, let's get straight to work. First, we need the tool that lets us download the Unlinked Vault. Go to your Firestick home screen, navigate over to the left, and click on the magnifying glass search icon. Just type the letter D. Instantly, the bright orange downloader app will pop up in the official Amazon store. Click it. Hit the download button and wait a few seconds for it to install. Critical warning. Do not click open yet. We have to bypass Amazon's internal security wall first. Just press the home button on your remote. Amazon tries to block us from installing premium third-party app stores, but here is the exact cheat code to unlock your device. Scroll all the way to the right side of your home screen and highlight the settings gear. Go down and click on My Fire TV. We need the developer options menu. If it is hidden from your screen, do exactly this. Click on About. Look at the name of your Fire TV stick at the very top. Take your remote and press the big center circle button 7 times extremely fast. Keep tapping until a tiny message pops up saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Hit the back button on your remote just once. Now, click into your newly unlocked developer options. First, click on ADB Debugging and switch it to ON. Next, go down to Install Unknown Apps and click it. You will see our orange downloader app sitting in the list. Click it so the switch turns to ON. Perfect! Your Firestick is now 100% unlocked. Hit your home button. Go to your apps list, the icon, with the 3 little squares and a plus sign. Open up the downloader app. Go to the URL search box right in the center of your screen and click it. Now type this exact web address perfectly and hit go. Scroll down the website, click the Download Android app button, and hit Install. When it says App Installed, click Done. Before we open it, hold the Home button, go to Settings, down to My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. Find the brand new Unlinked app in the list and click it to turn it on. Alright guys, the security walls are down. Hit the Home button, open up your brand new Unlinked app. Click on Add a New Library, and let's enter the Master Vaults. First place metal code 1, type. Take your remote and type everything exactly like that, and hit Enter. What it replaces: Netflix and Hulu. This is the holy grail for free movies and TV shows. Inside this vault, you will find the absolute best cinema HD alternatives like MobiFlix, FlixVision, and Netfly. These apps pull the highest quality 1080p and 4K links for every movie still in theaters and every binge-worthy TV series. You will never need a paid movie subscription again. Second place metal code 2, type. Hit Add New Library, type Fire TV Guru, and hit Enter. What it replaces: cable TV and sports packages. If you are a live sports fanatic, this is your code. This vault is packed with the best free live TV apps like Sportsfi and Sportsfire. Quick pro tip, free live TV apps are great, but they can buffer during massive events like UFC fights or the Super Bowl. If you want a truly flawless, zero-buffer 4K sports experience, you should absolutely pair a premium player from these stores with a dedicated private service like Mint IPTV or Pulse IPTV. It is the ultimate VIP cable killer. Third place metal code 3. Type. Hit Add New Library, type the number 4 8 times, and hit Enter. What it replaces? Your App Store. This is the ultimate all-in-one mega vault. If an app exists on the internet, it is in this store. It has beautifully organized categories for movies, utility tools, background apps, and massive collections of ad-free media players. It is updated weekly to ensure every app actually works perfectly. Sports Metal Code 4. Type Super Apps. PIN 911,911. What it replaces? YouTube Premium. This code is the hidden gem of 2026. This is where you will find ad-free YouTube applications like SmartTube. It completely blocks every single pre-roll ad, mid-roll commercial, and even skips in-video sponsors. Plus, it has the Military Metal Code 5, type Firestick. Hit Add New Library, type Firestick, and hit Enter. What it replaces? Slow devices. This is your ultimate utility and maintenance vault. To keep your Firestick streaming 4K movies without lagging, you have to keep it clean. This code contains the best cache cleaners, background process killers, and speed test tools. Run these apps once a week, and your 3-year-old Firestick will run like it is brand new out of the box. And that is it, guys. You now have the 5 most powerful secret app stores on the entire planet, and you just saved yourself $1,000 this year. If this step-by-step master guide worked for you and saved your wallet today, please do me a massive favor. Absolutely destroy that thumbs up button right now. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more people who are sick of paying for Netflix and cable. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so you never miss a new secret code. And I want to hear from you down in the comments. What are you going to do with the extra $1,000 you saved this year? Drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep streaming, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!